Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the dimensions and text. First let's look into the dimensions. Here we have the shortcut keys for the dimension. First I'm going to select this dimension command linear. This is dimension linear. It create a linear dimension with horizontal, vertical or rotated dimension line. Just I'm going to select this one and it will ask you to specify the first extension line, origin or select object. First I'm going to give the first line and then you can just click somewhere here and you can just drag like this. It will give you the dimension, but the text size and all, it is not visible. If you want to measure one object, just you can draw one line like this, and again I'm selecting this dimension line. You can specify the first point and then second point and measure like this. So in this way it will show you the dimension, but the thing is the text is not visible. For that what you have to do is you can just click on this dimension and then here there is one option called standard dimension style control. This is the dimension style control. You can go to this dimension style and then click on this. So it will give you this window, dimension style manager. Here we are using the standard dimension style. If you want to modify in this, you can modify, or else if you want to create a new dimension style also, you can create a new dimension style by using this new tab. I'm going to modify this standard dimension style. Click on this modify. We'll get this window. Here you can modify the lines, symbols and arrows, text, fit, primary unit, alternate unit, everything you can modify. So here I'm going to change this arrow size, because see this arrow is also very small. I'm going to change this arrow size to 8 inches. I'm going to make it as double, and center marks also I'm going to change into 5 inches. And then let's come to the next tab, text. So here text height I'm going to increase to 12 inches. That is one. See, if you click outside, it is changing here. The sizes and all is changing here. You can see this, and fit is okay. Primary unit, here precision you can change because it is showing the fraction values of the dimensions. Now here we can change that into 0, 0. Round off also it's 0 and then give OK. We have changed the text size and all. Now what you have to do is, if you want to use the standard as your current dimension style, you have to click this option set current and then close. Now see, the arrow size and the text size and all, it's changed. Okay, in this way you can do the modifications in the dimension style. Next let's see this one. This is dimension aligned. Create aligned linear dimension. For example, let me switch off this ortho mode. I have the line like this. Okay, it is not a linear line, and that means like it is not a straight line. So you have to measure this one. In that case you have to use this dimension style, align dimension, and then you can just measure this, how it is showing the dimensions. In this way you can use this align dimension. Even in vertical, if it is like this, you can use this dimension aligned and then measure like this. Let's delete this. And next one is arc length. For example, I am going to draw one arc like this. If you want to measure the dimension of this arc, you have to use this dimension style and then measure it. Next one is ordinate. This is dimension ordinate. This measures the horizontal or vertical distance from origin point called datum to a future. But this option we will not use for the regular use. Next one is radius. For example, I am going to draw a circle. If you want to measure the radius of the circle, you can just click on this dimension style and then select arc or circle. You have to select this circle and just drag like this. So it will show you the radius. Let's delete this. And next one is dimension jogged. It creates a jog dimension for circle and arc. For example, I'm going to draw arc like this. Just click this dimension style and then it will ask you to select arc or circle and then center location, and it will ask you to specify the dimension line location. So this is the dimension line and it will ask you to specify the jog location. If you just click on this, it will give you the dimension like this. Next one is diameter. It is similar to the radius. I'm going to measure the diameter for this circle. So it is giving the diameter. Next one is angular. I'm going to draw some line like this. If you want to measure the angle between these two lines, you have to select this angular dimension style and then select the first line and then select the second line. It will show you the angle. These are all the major dimension style we use. Whatever the modifications you want, according to your convenient, you can use this dimension style option and then do the modification. Next, let's move on to the text options. So here we have many types of text options. These are all the shortcut keys. First I'm going to select this one. This is multi-line text. If you just click on this command and then it will ask you to specify the first corner. You have to drag like this and then specify the opposite corner too. Just drag as if you are drawing the rectangle. Okay, so this command will come. Here you can type whatever you want. See, just I have typed AutoCAD drawing. Here what and all you can do is text formatting is standard and then you can select the text style, Arial, black, whatever you want you can select. I'm just keeping this Arial and then sizes you can select. I'm giving 1 feet is too big, so 5 by 8 inches is fine. And then text color also you can change according to your convenient. Whatever the colors you want you can change. And here justification, left, right, center, whatever you want, line spacing, and then here numbering is there. So in this way whatever you want you can just do it, and after that if you give OK, see your text is here, but the size is very small. If you want you can change, just double click on this text, so this window will appear. You can give 1 feet, give OK. See now it is visible. Next, let's select this one, single line text, and then specify the start point, specify the height. It is asking you to specify the height. I'm going to give 6 inches. It is asking you to give the rotation angle of the text. So let's give 45 degree. You can type in the 45-degree angle. Just I'm typing the same AutoCAD drawing. See, this is helpful where you wanted to use the rotated text line like this in this direction, or else if you give the angle as 0, or will be in the horizontal direction, and then just give enter. We'll do it in 0 degree. Again I'm selecting this single line text. It will ask you to specify the text height, let it be 6 inches, and it will ask you to give the angle. I'm giving 0, so now it is straight. Again enter. That's it. This way you can do. Next one is edit, text edit. If you want to do any edit, text edit, instead of double clicking, just click on this option and then click on the text. It will give you the text editing option. For this also the same thing. So in this way you can use this text edit option. These are the major text option which we need to use. If you want to edit this text or change the text style or text size, there is one more option, that is there is one more command, modify. The shortcut is MO, give enter. So this window will appear. Here you can change whatever you want, color, line type, and text style, justify, height, rotation, angle, everything you can change in this option. See, I'm going to change this text height to 8 inches. See, it is changed. And text color I'm going to change to yellow. It is changed. After that you can just close. Friends, that's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.